Oh God. Listen to that crunch.
No soggy chips here.
Mm-mm.
Crunchy, look at this. So what you got going on here, Slasher? What are we putting together, right?
We're putting together Pit Boys Nachos. We have got all kinds of meat. We have got ground pork right here. We got some ground beef. We got Filet Mignon.
Ooh.
We got some pulled pork.
Yep.
We got bacon. We got chunks of chicken. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this in the bowl. We're going to put our little SPG spices with it, and this is going to go on our nachos. So everything's going to play a role in the way this is built.
All right.
I'm ready. Come on, let's move this on, man. I want to...
We're going to do nachos.
All right.
These are Pit Boy nachos.
You getting hungry or what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
These are going to be, hopefully these are going to be nachos that when you grab a piece and you eat, everything that's on there is still there on the chip. And then when you get to the inside, hopefully the same thing is in there too. And it's
Crispy on the inside.
crispy on the inside, everything. You know, the same deal. So we're going to start assembling these.
All right.
All
Let's
right?
do it.
So we need the
What do
chip
we got
guy.
here?
We need the
Already
guy
got
that has
chips?
the chips.
There we go.
There's
Gotta
the
have the
man
chips.
right there.
Did you get a small enough bowl? Oh my God.
Yeah, we're going to start dumping the chips.
See where we're going with this, Flash.
There we go.
We're trying to get one layer. Now we got to get the cement. Who's the cement? Where's the cement guy?
Cheese, man.
Cheese, man.
You need the cheese. Where's the cheese?
Oh,
It's
right
Cheese
there.
is right here. That's what we got to do.
Natural cement.
Yeah, we're going to put the cement on.
And that'll.
That keeps everything happy.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
There, that's the next step.
All right.
Now what do you want to add?
Now we're going to the oven.
Oh, about that sucker now.
we're right in the oven now.
Toast them up, freshen them
You
up.
ready, Joe?
Yeah, on top, on top.
Go.
There you go.
There we go.
Put that right in there.
Smoky flavor in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Be back
Real
after
close.
these messages. Sponsored by SPG.
Ready? Coming out. Coming out.
Right.
Oh, those look good.
All right, set them back over here.
Smell great.
It's good enough to eat already. So what is in there? Bacon,
We got bacon.
pork,
We got filet mignon. We got pork.
beef.
We got chicken. We got beef.
This is disordinary.
This is a loaded nacho.
Unloaded.
Yeah, you just got to get in there, man.
Now this is of course the appetizer for the main meal.
Yeah.
You can see that.
Now we're going on with some black olives. Going on with some corn.
What is this? This is
Oh, another pickle jalapeno.
Now we got some
the
jalapenos.
nacho supreme. I can see what this is.
Could have these at the big game.
A
Nacho
little kick in it.
pickled
Kick in your step.
jalapenos.
That'll put some pep in your step.
There you go. Now we got some red onion. Yeah.
Now coming in with the cheese mixture.
bondage. Bond everything together. Now they're at every NFL football game.
They're actually
Any
just
sport event. Any sport event.
Oh man.
you know, only pizza and wings are more
That's true,
popular
right?
during
That's it.
It's the Super
We
Bowl.
all
yeah,
do.
parties and stuff. Yeah.
Load them chips on. Was it one at a time or you just throw them?
Yeah, well, we don't have a wall and help
Let
them.
him create. Let him build.
Let them fall off.
Let it tumble.
We don't want them to fall off.
This is a Picasso here.
All right. Another layer of cheese on top of another layer of chips on top of another layer.
All right, nope. Go back in the oven now.
Oh boy.
Here, bud, get that door.
Wood fired oven, I presume?
Of course.
That's the Pit Boy Pit oven. Pit Boy Pit oven.
Peas, pizza.
Cheers.
Look at that slasher.
She's looking ready.
Oh man. Look at
All right.
Look at that.
Oh,
All right, get a plate, serve it up. Let's go.
There's another layer coming on here.
Black olives.
Oh yeah. Oh that.
Big table.
Well, later. They're coming around.
Yeah. Now we're
Now we're getting serious. Now we're getting serious.
Goes with the. This is called dab.
Yeah, damn it. This is
Apple, do you?
It's getting serious with the sour cream here. Beauty. Look at it's like a masterpiece. He's look at him. He's painting the puffy clouds. He's painting the clouds.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Now what? Yeah, a little bit of refried beans here. Oh yeah.
There we go. Yeah, wonderful. It's a teamwork, right? You need some teamwork.
Yeah, there you go. Gotta put some more meat on.
I want this for my next birthday cake.
No, I got a nice fire going there. And you can't even feel the heat standing next to it.
Awesome.
Dressing.
You're gonna need a forklift to do it.
Good thing he's got a sturdy pan there.
That's it.
The saving grace.
All right. Well.
That smells good.
Look at that.
Need a hand with that, Joe? Just gotta be about 50.
You guys can get a forklift in here, whatever you need. Slash it.
Oh, look at that. Melted cheesiness.
What?
Up a little bit.
Nacho.
This is like huge.
And the smell.
Yeah.
I just
Smell
love
that.
That
It
smell.
smells good. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It's outrageous. Well done, Slasher. So, can you Uber Eats this, or how do you do this?
Get in there, rip it up. Rip it up.
Okay, Bob, I'm grabbing.
Oh, yeah, grab.
Wow.
Look at the layers. Look at the layers.
The sour cream
Oh,
under
there
here,
you
the jalapeno.
This has got stuff all the way
A
around.
little refried beans right under there.
Oh, look at that. A little sandwich.
And the crispy.
Oh, yeah.
Is that crispy or what?
Yeah. Good work.
That's a nacho. I just tasted the whole. That's a nacho.
Wow. That's a good one.
Look at this. Look at this side.
It's crunchy.
Look at that.
This is one of those quarter
This is like one of the best nachos. Watch it.
No, you don't get...
Do you hear that crunch?
Oh, this got crunch right from the bottom up.
It's crunchy.
Oh, you can taste the oak. There's a little bit of an oak back finish on there.
Go with that. But the biscuit is not.
If you don't do this at your next NFL football game, you aren't doing it right. That right there. Wow, the heck of a nacho.
So you might want to double up.
Starting from the end and working from this way is making it like you have the layers. His theory was right.
Hands up.
The theory was right, but I'm just letting you know, you're thinking about it.
This is not for soup.